Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fade out audio in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To begin, go ahead and launch the CapCut app and create a new project. Select your preferred video clip and tap on Add at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the video clip itself and navigate to the tools. Find and select Extract Audio. Choose the same video clip and add it. Ensure that the video clip is muted. This action extracts the audio from the video clip. Subsequently, access this audio, tap on Fade, and adjust it according to your preference. Once you're satisfied with the changes, save the edited video by clicking the download button located at the top right corner. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.